In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly, specifically designed for beginners exploring this powerful tool for the first time. Calendly is an online scheduling tool that streamlines the process of booking meetings by allowing others to see your available times, reducing the back and forth of emails. Instead of exchanging messages trying to nail down the perfect time, you simply share your personalized booking link, and Calendly takes care of the rest. It'll automatically schedule your meetings, coordinating seamlessly with your connected calendar to avoid any schedule conflicts. Let's get started. First, you'll need to create a Calendly account. Head over to the Calendly website where you have several choices to sign up. You can use an existing Google account, Microsoft account, or just your email address. Once you've made your choice and signed up, keep an eye out for any email verification requests. If prompted, follow the simple steps to verify your email. This verification ensures your account security and proper setup. After that, complete the initial setup by entering some basic information: your name, the time zone you operate in, and your personal scheduling preferences. This foundation will help get your account ready for effective and error-free scheduling. Next, it's crucial to connect your calendar to prevent double bookings, which can often occur when managing appointments manually. Calendly supports a broad range of calendars, including Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, Office 365, and even iCloud Calendar. To establish this connection, navigate to either the Availability or Calendar Settings section in your Calendly account. Here, you'll select Connect Calendar and choose your calendar provider from the list. You'll then need to log in and grant Calendly the necessary permissions to access your calendar data. This step is essential because Calendly needs to check your calendar before allowing someone to book time with you, ensuring that you're not double booked and can seamlessly manage appointments. After setting up your account and connecting your calendar, you'll want to create an event type. An event type represents the kind of meeting or appointment you offer, and it can vary based on your personal or business requirements. For instance, you might set up a 15-minute intro call for quick introductory conversations or 30-minute consultation for a more in-depth discussion. If you conduct more intense sessions, consider establishing a 60-minute coaching session. Each of these examples serves a unique purpose and caters to different audience needs. Think carefully about the types of interactions you typically have and how long each should ideally last. Customize these event types by setting their duration and any other specifics tied to them. By following these steps, you now have the knowledge needed to set up Calendly, ensuring efficient scheduling and effective time management. Whether you're a freelancer, a busy professional, or an entrepreneur, Calendly will surely simplify your appointment setting and calendar coordination. Remember, sharing your Calendly link with others is all you need to start scheduling meetings in a hassle-free manner. Now you're ready to dive into the world of easy, streamlined scheduling with Calendly. Happy planning!